I have taken here a canvas board of 36 by 36 inch. After applying the 2 layers of gesso, I have made a big circle on this board and done this abstract design. In the middle part of the circle, do the big size of pebbles close to each other, and as we come outer edge of the circle, do the medium size and little smaller size pebbles little separately, like this. Now to create the texture, use the Camlin texture white. It's a resin impasto medium. Fill this medium in this cone and fill this pebble with this, like this. And to flatten it, use the water with the fingertip and spread it evenly. Allow it to dry for some days depending upon the weather. All the materials used is mentioned in the description below. Please watch till the end and do comment me that you like it or not. Like this. Now when it dry completely, apply the black color on this whole board. To reduce the shine of black color, I have used here Liquitex medium in the Camlin Acrylic black color. I have mixed it properly both the mediums and apply this black to feel the matte effect, like this. Now when the black color dry properly, start with the golden color. I have used here Camlin Acrylic gold color to paint this pebble with golden color. I have done 3 to 4 layers of this gold color on these pebbles. Actually, we can do this with gold leaf also, but the budget will high using the gold leaf. So I have used here the acrylic golden color. Lots of patience is needed. After the gold color is dried, I have used here this gloss varnish to do only on the golden color, not on the black color. I am using the Brusto gloss medium varnish, and for this also I have done the 2 layers of this varnish. Finally completed with this ultimate home decor piece. How's it? Please comment me. Please do subscribe for more such artworks.